let's take a look at the chest press. It's working the chest, the pectorals, the shoulders, our delts, and then the back of the arms here, the triceps, all at the same time. These can be helpful whether we're pushing things, trying to shove in our everyday. It could be just getting up out of a chair and trying to push this way because we're using our triceps. So they're really important. To get this machine set up, there's just two adjustments on it. We have a seat adjustment here, and then up here there's one for the arm. So if you sit in it and it feels uncomfortably back, just pull this out and you can pull it out because it'll go back here. So we're going to pull it all the way out. Have a seat to be properly adjusted. The bend should be at about chest level. And you'll have two grips, an upper grip where you want to keep your shoulders up and out. You want to make sure they're at the same level so that one's not down and the other one up, that they're nice and level with each other. And you have a second grip right here where you're in closer and pushing, where it's adding even more tricep. So those are your two grips. Always watch that you're nice and neutral with your elbows in the same spot, not pushing from different areas. Exhale as you go out. All right, now we have Sandy to assist us and help with the chest press and how this operates. When we get in, we want to make sure first, like she's set up, the bend is at about chest level, so she's at a proper seat height. Then we're going to think about, one, we want to be relaxed on the machine. So she's going to think about relaxing the shoulders back so that they're comfortable, not hunched up close. She also wants to be in a neutral position where she really wants to have her head back on the seat so that it puts her body in a nice alignment. Then we're going to use the upper grip. She's thinking about keeping those elbows at the same level. And then we're going to be pressing out as we exhale to a slight bend extension and coming back and not letting the weight touch again. Keeping that continuous motion going forward and back and breathing throughout it. That's perfect. Continue to your 2 sets of 15, about a 30-second rest in between. You can take it down to 15 or all the way up to 90 seconds as needed. Now that you've had your weight and you're ready to do your second set, I really recommend changing up using the second grip on your second set to have a little bit of a variant in your workout. Then we're going to continue. You can also actually add a little more weight. So if you felt that that was a little too easy and you want more of a challenge, but you don't want to go up a full 15 pounds, there's these nice 5-pound weights that can be slid over center to add 5 pounds at a time, so it's a limited increase. Are you ready for your second set? So pressing from the center now, we're keeping our elbows in closer and extending out to that same extension, coming back but not letting the weight touch again. That second set of 15 should again always be challenging to finish, and you might not even make it there. Make sure you're always keeping good alignment. If your alignment starts to fail, stop.